Welcome to this instructional video, where we'll guide you step by step through the process of replacing a mass airflow sensor on Chevrolet Cruze 2014. The mass airflow sensor, or MAF, is typically positioned near the engine, either on the air intake tube or the air filter housing. To precisely locate it, consult your vehicle's service manual. Let's begin by removing the sensor. First, ensure the engine has cooled down. For safety purposes, disconnect the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery to deactivate the power supply. Then, unplug the electrical connector attached to the mass airflow sensor. Proceed to unscrew the bolt that secures the sensor in place and gently remove it from its mounting. Now, onto the inspection step. Carefully examine for any loose hoses, cracks, holes, or damage to the sensor. Moving on to the installation procedure. Start by delicately inserting the new mass airflow sensor into the intake air manifold and ensuring a snug fit. Then secure the sensor in place by tightening the bolts. Next, reattach the electrical connector for the mass airflow sensor to ensure proper functionality. After that, reconnect the negative terminal of the battery to complete the installation. Finally, start the engine and monitor the dashboard for any warning lights. If all seems well, take the vehicle for a test drive to confirm smooth operation without any issues. That completes the comprehensive process of replacing a mass airflow sensor on Chevrolet Cruze 2014. Thanks for watching.